Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this 3D shadow photo editing in Picsart. So what you need to do, open your Picsart and then here select the photos or open the photos that you want to edit. So I'm going to edit this one for example. And then here what you need to do is swipe through the toolbar at the bottom, then click on the fit options. So now the photo will go like this. You can adjust the size of the photo to how you like it, and here there will be the shadow options at the bottom, so tap on that and you can see now there will be a 3D shadow will be created in instantly. Here you can adjust the opacity, you can adjust the position, the vertical, horizontal, just like this, and you can also change its color if you want to. For example, I'm going to go with the orange color like the background, like this, so it will create that 3D shadow effect in just like this. Click on the check icon and you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.